certified freedom from Grady White. My name is Luke from MarineMax, Pensacola, and I'm just going to give you a quick walk through some of the key features of this boat. So starting off with the transom, this boat is powered by dual 200 Yamaha 4-strokes. It's going to get you a nice propulsion out of this boat. You're going to run great. Coming back, you do have a cooler, a live well here at the stern of the boat. You also have the flip down seat. Flip that up, you have this whole back section to turn into a fishing machine. Come forward, you do have the seat over here, and coming over you do have the dual captain seat with a flip down bolster. Coming to the helm, right now we just have the Yamaha CL7 installed, but you can opt for any electronics that you'd like on this boat. Fusion audio on this system as well. Plenty of storage over here in the side. Coming all the way up to the bow, you do have dual side seats. Flip them up, turns it into a fishing machine. Open these up, you also have storage. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.